Hello guys, you're welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to craft your old earrings. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, please stay to the end of this video. So now let's get started. So these are all the items we'll be needing for this craft. As you can see here, I have my old earrings, which are beginning to fade out. I have my tape measure, two pieces of satin fabric. You can use a Duchess fabric based on your preference. My earrings, scissors, ornaments for the design, and then a needle with a thread in it. So the length of this fabric measures 18 inches and then 2 inches in width. Now the first step is to fold the edges by half an inch and further folding it by half an inch, and then take it down to the machine to stitch it down. Repeat the same process for the other edge as well, and also for the other fabric. So I've gone ahead to stitch down all edges. Now the second step is to fold in the sides by half an inch and further folding it by half an inch to sew the strap. Okay, as when I was pulling in the strap to the earrings, I didn't realize that my phone had stopped recording. But I'm sure you can understand how we can put in the strap to the earrings. So you just adjust it like so, just so it fits into the earrings perfectly. So what we do now is to tack down the fabric so it doesn't move around closely to the earring. And make sure to do the same thing for the other side of the earring and also for the other earring as well. So now we're going to bring the ornament and then place it right on top of the earring and then tack it down all through. So here we have it, guys. Our earring is looking all beautiful. So if you're using a brighter fabric, a better color of fabric, you can choose not to use the ornaments. Either way, it's still going to come out nice. Thank you for watching, and then please leave a comment in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe for more DIYs. See you in my next video. Bye.